welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the all new WPL C54 ready to run. Some upgrades you'll notice right away from the older ready to run. So we got a new spring, we got some new control arms. It's got a 2.4G servo, 3-link suspension with a panhard bar to help reduce bump steer. We have a 260 motor going into a counter rotating gearbox. So one shaft spins one way, the other shaft spins the other way to reduce it from torquing over under load, where it just like go to the side. So now it'll help balance it out. It is a ready to run, so it's got these harder versions of the tires. So some upgrades that you might want to do are get some soft kit tires, some wheel weights. You could even get some metal axles. But yeah, it comes with some spare parts to make it go from a C54 to a C54-1. So you have a different bumper, and comes with the roof rack and some other stuff. I just took it out of the box. We slapped in some of the mirrors and the wipers and tossed the roof rack on and the spare tire. It is available in red and also a yellow, which I do believe is kind of like a tan. You can kind of see on the spare tire mount back there. So I'm thinking that might be the same yellow as the C14s. If so, that would be pretty cool. But I guess you guys are interested in how good are these new improvements on here. I'd have to say pretty good. The suspension, it could be a little bit softer, and it has these adjusters where you can raise it up. But it could be a little softer, but there's no binding or anything, so it's a really smooth suspension flow. Then with these links on here, mainly on the front, offer you to turn without having your tires rub. Our on-off switch, which used to be towards the front on the WPLs, is now in the back. Since this is a 260 motor, I do believe a 370 should drop right in there. I don't know though, you can't quote me on that, but that's something we could try. It does look like it is kind of close up against the links, but it does work pretty good. I really like the C54s. You got the nice SUV body, lots of detail, the right hand drive. This comes with the standard ready to run controller. We have our on-off switch, our steering trim, our actual steering, and our throttle. We got forward and reverse. With the 260 motor, it seems to have plenty of power. Goes fairly quick. That's our top speed, full throttle. But we can also go slow and crawl over stuff. It could use a little bit more low-end gearing. Try not to roll it over into the pond. As I roll it over into the pond. Here on the Clunkers Customs YouTube channel with the live action, we can watch it sink into the pond and start glitching out. Okay, so like always, the ready to run WPLs are not waterproof. So you do not want to take them into water like that. But as I've demonstrated before, they can take a little bit of moisture. And keep going. But if you take yours into the water like I did, be prepared to upgrade it. And a great upgrade for this would be the RES V3 system. And maybe the 370 dual speed gearbox. See if we can get up over these rocks. And also, with its top speed of, I'd say, 3.5 miles per hour, if I would have to guess, if you were to slap on some of the portal axles onto this, that have the gear reduction in them, it would probably bring it down to closer to a nice slower crawl, but not too slow. We'll see if we can get down near the pond without falling in. I'm trying to drive and film, so it's a little tricky. Okay, we got it buried. Ugh. Yeah, it's a Toyota Land Cruiser, not a boat. Well, check out the link below, and hope you enjoyed this.